It's now time for the home financing update, courtesy of First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
And 5.5% at 30 years fixed just can't be wrong. And I also need for people to stop doing this, Eddie. And I know I seem a little bit agitated today. But I need for people, please, I'm begging you now, stop listening to the negative crap out there. Or, yes, listen to the negative crap, okay? But don't adhere to it. In other words, take some time out and do your homework. Do your investigation. Do your research. Call the banking authority. Check into things. Because there's so much negative hype just spewing out there, which is actually screwing up the people. In other words, people telling people not to go with the FHA program, not to go with programs that's being offered out there. Come on. And then what's happening? 3 months down the road, our people are losing their homes. Well, let me just tell you all this. I will not stop fighting for my people. I will not give up. Real estate is the way to go. And real estate is the way to save yourself from a lot. You have bills, you have expenses, refinance that property. You know, lower your monthly payments. Prepare for the worst, which is yet to come. All I can say, folks, I'm going to open up the phone lines and I'm going to let Eddie respond on the air, but I'm going to open up the phone lines so you can get in the queue to speak with him, because I want everyone out there who's a homeowner, seriously, stop today, take a look at your mortgage, take a look at the interest rate, take a look at what kind of mortgage it is. Some of you don't even know what kind of mortgage. Some of you don't know if the mortgage adjusts after 10 years. Some of you don't know if it adjusts every year. Take some time out, folks. Make the call. Here's the number. Right now, I'm giving you a 13-year veteran when it comes to real estate financing. And I'm sorry I haven't made you talk yet, Eddie, but I'm so pumped up about this, man. You know, the number to call right now, folks, to speak with Eddie Albert, the loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Banker, which is not a middleman. He's a direct lender. The number is 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Make the call right now if you're a homeowner. And if you're not a homeowner and you're paying rent, make the call anyway and find out what can be done. Can you become a homeowner? Make the phone call right now. I'm so agitated, I'm tripping over my words. Here's the number, 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Make the call right now to the radio studios. Eddie and his team is right here. I don't care if you have had some credit problems. I don't care if you got yourself in some trouble with paying your bills, but you're a homeowner. We want to show you how you can fix that problem. Make the call right now to the radio studios. Eddie, I know you want to respond to what I have to say before we let you get to the phone lines.
You know, Squeeze, you covered a lot of things there, but I mean, the key is communication with your better half, your spouse. Go over your financial situation at home. You know, I go over thousands of reports a month, sometimes more. And what we look to is we look to review everybody's personal situation and see how we can save them money. But the key here, folks, is educating yourself to the options that you have. If you procrastinate, if you're afraid of change, I know you're in your houses, you're very comfortable, and that's day-to-day living, and you say, hey, I'm fine. But you know what? Most people right now in this market, in this industry, are not doing fine. That's a fact. Credit card is at a national all-time high. People are paying 20 to 30% on their cards, and they're living paycheck to paycheck. And is really, if you own a home, there's no need to live like that. And by educating yourself and listening to this show, we'll be able to work you through a lot of your problems. By simplifying your life and paying off those high interest rate credit cards and replacing them with 5.5% debt. It's simple math. Change 20 to 30% into 5.5% and get an increased tax write-off. That's all you need to do. Call us. We'll work it through. We'll see what we can do for you. And hopefully we'll relieve a lot of stress that's going on out in our world today.
Absolutely. Once again, folks, it is a passionate squeeze about you as a homeowner or not a homeowner. And once again, remember, the future is the real estate industry, but you must have a full and solid understanding of it. Now, when you speak with someone at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, you're getting more than just a loan, folks. You're getting advice. That's what it's all about. It is truly priceless. Make the call right now. Eddie, I am asking you please to take calls from all 3 states and even beyond right now. I want to get everybody up on the phone lines. I want to make sure that people don't lose their homes like Latrell Sprewell. just lost his home to foreclosure. All right? Rich guy like that, you know. So right now, folks, you know, make the phone calls. Eddie just ran out of the studios to grab the phone lines because he's been instructed by our PD to grab the phones right now. So this is Link Up Radio. My name is Squeeze. We go until 3 today. Make your phone calls to the radio studios. I would like to personally make sure that you get some assistance when it comes to real estate. The number is 718-325-5555. I repeat, 718-325-5555. And for you young guns out there, young bucks out there, remember, you can buy a house, even if it's a condo. All right? Why the hell are you going to pay rent? Come on, wake up. Get some help. 718-325-5555. But for you folks with debts, let's wipe out those debts, man. 718-325-5555. Refinance now.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina. Headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.